a great choice today with the 2016 Nissan Frontier. The Nissan Frontier offers a full-length, fully boxed frame for strength, serious off-road capabilities, and a 5-star rating for side impact crash safety. The Frontier's interior comforts include cab versatility, under-seat storage, and seating for 5. This vehicle has less than 85,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes, CD player, power windows, AM/FM CD player with 6 speakers, electronic stability control, panic alarm, overhead console, remote keyless entry, tachometer, driver vanity mirror, front bucket seats, tilt steering wheel, front reading lamps, cloth seat trim, passenger vanity mirror. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.